So here's the problem. We've got this beautiful van, but unfortunately the bit of trim has fallen off underneath the, well, was kicked off by my daughter, 12. So that's the bit that's fallen off or been kicked off. Here's the piece. Got these lovely little clips, and I've tried to put it back on without success, but I'm going to give it a bit more of a thump, see if it goes on. So here goes. Upside down. Might be on. Who knows? Right, what I'm thinking is these clips at the top have engaged because they're pretty tight, but these ones at the bottom haven't. Because if I look at the ones at the bottom, I think they might have broken, because it looks like sorry about the camera. I'm going to get some new clips. So it's next weekend, and ordered some clips online. Look the same. Doing this with one hand because you know what, I think they're bigger to you. I think they're the old ones. They're new ones. New one's definitely bigger. Try it anyway. Right, and we'll put it on the right way up this time. I'll just get Kat. Hello. Right, come on. Over here. So we've got the new clips on. Now we're going to replace the panel that the camera person smashed up.
Shut up.
Come in here and have a show that. Can you see? You see it?
Yeah.
So put that in there. That in there. Oh, that sounded good. You try it?
What?
I'll not get your face in.
What do you want me to do?
Try pulling it off. Don't pull it too hard. And then we'll just see what it looks like. Is that a beautiful van?
Mhm.
Yeah?